Class. In today class, in this class, we are going to discuss exercise 3.1. Okay. Now look at first question. What is given? He's asking. Is given p of x. One polynomial is given. Okay. Polynomial is given and asking what which value asking first two x x power 5 coefficient. Okay. Look at here. P of x 5 x power 7 minus 6 x power 5 is 7x minus 6. Coefficient of x power 5. What is the coefficient? Here, first x power 5. How much is there here? Here, look at it is the coefficient means which is multiplying for x power 5. That is the coefficient. Okay, that is 6 here. Which number is multiplying x power 5? 6. That is minus 6 is the coefficient. Sign also you take. Now, degree of this p of x. Degree means here it is the one term 5x power 7 minus it is one term minus 6x power 5. It is another term 7x. It is another term minus 6. It is another term. How many terms? 1, 2, 3, 4 terms are there. From this 4 terms, which is the highest power? Okay. అంటే ఈ 4 టర్మ్‌లకి వెళ్ళి దేనికైతే హైయెస్ట్ పవర్ ఉంటదో దాన్నే మనం డిగ్రీ అంటాము. హియర్ లుక్ ఎట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ద 7. ఓకే. సో అవర్ డిగ్రీ ఈస్ p of x degree is 7. Understand? The constant term. Constant term means we already know. Variable means variable. It is a alphabetical letter. Alphabetical letters. Okay. No. Constant means fixed value. Constant term. It is a fixed numerical value. Okay, numerical value. What is the fixed numerical value here? That is a 6. ఈ polynomial నంబర్ ఏది ఉంది ఫిక్స్డ్ నంబర్ ఈ వాల్యూ అనేది చేంజ్ కాదు. సో దట్ ఈస్ a 6. Understand? Now we have to say which is the true statement, true which is the false, and give the reason. Now look at degree of polynomials here. Degree of polynomial is root 2. Root 2 అనేది it is a coefficient of x square. But what is the degree here? It is a false. What is the degree for this polynomial? Degree and highest power. దేనికి ఉంది highest power? 2. So degree is 2. Now look at coefficient of x square in the polynomial p of x. It is the polynomial given. X square coefficient. He is asking x square coefficient. What is the x square here? It is there. That is a minus 4. He is given 2. So it is also false. ఇది కూడా false. X square coefficient అంటే ఏ నెంబర్ అయితే మల్టిప్లై చేస్తుందో అది కోఎఫిషియంట్ అవుతుంది. 4 మల్టిప్లై చేస్తుంది. బట్ here given is 2. Okay. No. For this it is a false. What is the x square coefficient? Here x square coefficient ఏదైతుంది అప్పుడు it is a minus 4. Okay. Now look at degree of constant term is 0. Now look at here. You can take first example. Here constant term is 6. Okay, 6. And what is the degree here? Means x power 0 we can write. We know already x power 0 is always 1. Okay, x power 0 is always 1. If 0 is always 1 అయినప్పుడు x power 0 కూడా 1 అవుతుంది. Okay, x power 0 1 అవుతుంది. So this 1 into 6 into 1 6 only. So what is the degree for here? This is 0. It is a true. Okay, it is true only. Okay, true. Here take. No. Here 1 by x square minus 5x plus 6 is a quadratic polynomial. First of all, quadratic polynomial అంటే degree 2 ఉండాలి. మనకి ఇక్కడ degree 2 ఉంది. If you take here, but it is 1 by x square minus 5x plus 6. It is in fraction. Okay. But here, if you write this one, 1 by x square ని ఎట్లా రాయొచ్చు? x power minus 2. Again దీన్నే 1 by minus 5x. దీన్ని x 1 x power minus 1 గా రాయొచ్చు. So it is not a polynomial. When we are taking this one, x is x power minus 2. It is a negative number. So negative number ఉంది అంటే it is not a polynomial. So it is a false. Okay, it is false. No, degree of a polynomial is one more than number of it in terms. Now look at degree of polynomial is one or more than number of terms. Number of terms degree తో సంబంధం లేదు. Okay, number of terms అంటే for example look at here. Wait a minute. Yes, number of terms. Now look at మనం ఇక్కడ చూసుకున్నట్లయితే 2x² ప్లస్ 4x మైనస్ 6 ఇక్కడ నంబర్ ఆఫ్ టర్మ్స్ ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి? 3 ఉన్నాయి. ఇది ఒక టర్మ్. ఓకే, now look at this is one term. Okay, 2x² one term, 4x is another term, minus 6 is another term. Terms are 3, but for what is the degree here? Highest power only. For this highest power is there 2, so degree is 2, so it is a false. Now look at, now this problem, look at here, p of t is equal to t cube minus 1. Find the values of p1 minus p of minus 1, p of 0, p of 2, p of minus 2. ఒక్కొక్క వాల్యూ మనం సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసి ఫైండ్ చేయాలి. నో లుక్ ఎట్, నో లుక్ ఎట్ third question. What is the third question? Now look at third solution. Okay, what is that? P of t is equal to t cube minus 1. First to substitute p of 1 means 1 cube minus 1, that is a 0. Okay, now look at p of minus 1. Now substitute minus 1 whole cube minus 1. Minus 1 ni whole cube and 3 times multiply. See what we are getting. Look at minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. Now look at minus into minus plus, again plus into minus, that is minus 1 into 1 1 1 into 1 again 1, so it is minus 1 getting, so that is minus 1 minus 1. How much you are getting value? That is minus 2. Understand? Now look at, in the same way you have to do again p of 0. Now take p of 0, that is t 0 cube minus 1. Finally, how much you are getting? That is minus 1. Okay, 0 minus 1 is minus 1 only. Now look at, no, ఇక్కడ అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే నో p of 0 అయిపోయింది, p of 2. p of 2 అంటే p of 2 2 cube minus 1. 2 cube అంటే 2 cube means 8 minus 1. How much you are getting? 7. p of 2 is 7. Now look at p of what is given? Minus 2. Okay, that is minus 2 cube again minus 1. Minus 2 means how much you're getting? Minus 2 cube means minus 8. It is an odd number. If you multiply odd, odd numbers, all negative, you will get minus only. Okay, minus, this is minus 1. So that is minus 9. So this is our solutions. Understand? Now look at next one. Check whether zeros of polynomial or not. Fourth question. Look at what is check whether minus 2 plus 2 are zeros of polynomial or not. Now look at here. Now look at fourth solution. Now simple problem only. If x is equal to minus 2, p of x minus 2 is equal to minus 2 whole power how much? 4 minus 16. If we multiply even negative even numbers, you will get result in positive. 2 power 4 how much? You can write here. If you don't know, just to try to write here. No. -2 -2 into -2 it is minus 16. Okay. Minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, again minus into minus plus 2 2 is a 4, 4 2 is a 8, 8 2 is a 16. So 16 minus 16, it is a 0. So it is a zeros of polynomial. It is correct, zeros of polynomial. If we substitute plus 2, okay, now look at P of 2. P of 2, how much you are getting? 2 power 4 minus 16, minus 16 here. So look at 2 power 4 means we are getting 16. 16 minus 16. Both are 0. So both are zeros of polynomial. Okay, minus 2 and 2 are the zeros of the given polynomial. Okay, if we substitute చేసినప్పుడు మనకు జీరో వస్తుంది. If the result is zero means that is a those are zeros of polynomial. అవి zeros of polynomial. Now look at now last problem. What is given? Check whether 3 and minus 2 zeros of polynomial or not. Now look at this problem. Here, write the problem. Okay, what is given? Fifth problem. Now look at what is given. P of x is equal to x square minus x minus 6. Okay, first what is the x is equal to 3 తీసుకోవాలి, తర్వాత x is equal to -2 తీసుకోవాలి. రెండు తీసుకున్న తర్వాత వెయిట్ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలి మనం. ఓకే, సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే ఎంత వస్తుంది చూసుకోవాలి. No, it is a given question. Okay, now look at what is that. No, p of first to 3, you take p of 3, that is 3 square minus 3 minus 6. Now look at 3 square means 9, 9 minus 3 minus 6. Here it is 9 minus 9, it is 0. So it is also minus plus 3 also zeros of polynomial. Now look at 3, p of 3, p of minus 2. Okay, now take p of minus 2 take. Okay, not this one. Now how much you are getting? What is the given? Minus 2 whole square minus again minus 2 in bracket minus 6. Okay, when we are multiplying this one, minus into minus become plus. It is 2 to the 4. Okay, minus. Now this minus into minus become plus. Here plus 2 again. It is minus 6. So this plus 2 plus 4 is plus 6. It is minus 6. So you are getting 0. So these are also 0. So 2 right there. 3 and minus 2 are the zeros of given polynomial. Okay, Do like, share, and subscribe for more classes. Okay, thank you.